In this video, hi. In this video, we shall be learning surrender and renewal in real estate valuation. Surrender and renewal is like you are occupying a property and you are given a lease term of like 20 years. Yes, you are granted a lease term of 20 years and it's remaining like 5 years. And you feel that if you wait till that 5 years, you may not likely get back that 20 years and or maybe there's somebody at hand that wants to collect that property and you feel that you want to secure your lease tenure. You can just go and meet your landlord and surrender the 6 years so that you're going to like know how much, so that you grab another 20 or 50, 60 thereabout years ahead. That is what surrender and renewal means. All right. So there's a template for calculating surrender and renewal. Surrender and renewal, the first thing you do is the lessee's point of view, the tenant's point of view, and the tenant how to you achieve that is by you start valuing your proposed interest before the present interest. Then you now minus your proposed from your present, or the present from the proposed. That's where you get your gain. That is the lessee's point of view. While from the lessor's point of view, you start by valuing the present interest before proposed interest. Then you now remove your proposed interest from your present interest. You now get your loss. Now you may not understand what I'm trying to say if you have not watched our video on premium, what premium is all about. Are you getting me? So now I will advise you, if you've not watched our previous video, you should go back and watch our video about premiums. All right. So now let us look at these examples. This example here. They said a tenant occupying a premises on a full repairs and insurance lease for 60 years wants to surrender another unexpired period of 5 years for another 60 years with the same terms and provisions. The rent is renewed annually. Rent passing is 450,000 while full rental value is 650,000. Calculate the reasonable premium that will be agreed between the two parties. All right. So now let us get to work. Don't forget I said we'll first start with lessee's point of view. All right. Now, in lessee's point of view, start what? Propose interest. Propose interest. All right. Propose interest. So we are going to start. What is the full rental value? The lessee's point of view. Now, in varying income, the lessee's point of view will do term and reversion. You get my point. But here in surrender renewal, there's a slight difference. I hope you pay rapt attention so that you understand it very well. In lessee's point of view, in lessee's point of view, in lessee's point of view, I've repeated it 3 times. You don't have term and reversion. All right, you don't have term and reversion in lessee's point of view in surrender and renewal. It is only in what's the name? Varying incomes, varying interest. You have term and reversion. Are you getting me? So in lessee's point of view now, in lessor's point of view, you have term and reversion too. In lessor's point of view, you have term and reversion. But in lessee's point of view, you only have present and proposed interest as usual. You just calculate the proposed and present and proposed in both the yes. Don't forget, you calculate the proposed and present interest. That is only thing you'll be doing in lessee's point of view. All right. So now, proposed interest mean what is he proposing? The years he's proposing. Why the present interest means how many years is remaining. That's what you're going to use to capitalize. So let us see. Now, proposed interest, like I said in our list, you start by valuing proposed interest before present interest in lessee's point of view. So now, proposed interest, the full rental value is what? The full rental value is 650,000. The rent received is how much? Is 450,000. All right. 450,000, 650,000 minus 450,000, you have 200,000. Then in YP, like I said, proposed interest. What is he proposing? He's proposing to get another 60 years YP 60 years at how many percent? 8.5%. You add 1 or half, that is 0.5 to the interest rate. I will tell you about that later. It's 8.5%. All right. Sinking fund 2.5%. Tax 40%. If you use a valuation table, YP 60 years 8.5%, sinking fund 2.5, tax 40%, you're gonna have 10.2822. Now multiply the two of them, you have 2056440 as your proposed interest. Now we have gotten our proposed interest. The next thing we'll calculate is our present interest. All right. Now our present interest, say present interest. Our present interest is the profit rent as the full rental value. The full rental value is what? The full rental value is what? The full rental value is 650,000. The rent received, all right, is what? 450,000. So if you check it out, it's almost even similar with the one, but the difference here is that the present it is YP. How many years is remaining? 5 years. 5 years at 8%. It's not 8.5 this time around. At 8%, sinking from 2.5, tax 40%. When you use your valuation table, you will get now 650 minus 450. You have 200,000 as our profit rent. Correct. Then we have if you use your valuation table, YP 5 years at 8%, sinking fund 2.5, tax 40%, you have 2.4871. Multiply it, you get 497,420. All right, now you add both your proposed and you minus your proposed from your present from your proposed. Like I said, in that our starting point, I will say you start by valuing the proposed interest before present interest. We've done that. Then premium is proposed minus present. So this is present. The proposed is before this. You minus it, you're going to get that is 20,205,6440 minus 497,420. You have 155,920. This is our lessee's point of view. All right, so let's see 1560000. We approximated it 1,560,000. Is it so? Now the next thing we'll do is our lessor's point of view. Lessor's point of view. All right, and the lessor's point of view now, it has term and it has reversion. All right, so now in the previous said you start by valuing present interest before proposed interest. So now we're going to start present interest. Present interest is what? They say the rent, lessor's point of view. Who is the lessor? The landlord. All right, the landlord. The rent is how much? So I'm going to treat it as if we're treating YP single rate. All right, the rent is how much? The rent is 450,000. So YP single rate 5 years at, take it down. Definitely the freeholders in the leaseholders interest is 8%. The freeholder will be 7%. So let's start use, since we're using the present term, let's use 7.5. 7.5%. All right, which is equals to YP 5 years at 7.5%. We use our valuation table. You can usually actually use the manual way. If you don't know how to use the manual way, please just check through. We have done videos, we have played justice to YP, single, and dual rate. Go through them and you understand how we solve it manually. So IP 5 years at 7.5% is 4.0459. You multiply, you're gonna have 1820655. 1820655. That is our term. All right. Now we're going to go to our reversion. And in our reversion now, it is full rental value. It is 650,000. All right. Then YP reversion to perpetuity, right? 7.5 deferred 5 years. It's going to give us 9.2874. All right, 9.2875, 650,000 times 9.2874 is going to give us 6036810. 6036810. All right, you now add up your term and your reversion for the present interest plus 1820655. You now have 77857,465. This is our what? Present interest. All right, present interest. So now we are going to now go to our what? Our proposed interest. Our proposed interest. So now our proposed interest is equals to what? Rent reserved is what? 450,000. All right. Our proposed. What is proposing? What is proposing? Don't forget, the present interest is how much is, how many years is remaining. The propose. What is he proposing? What he is proposing. All right. All right. So in this present interest, we use 5 years. So in this time now, we'll just be using, there will be a change from that 5 years to 60 years. You'll be seeing 60 years. 60 years. So the rent is what? 450. YP 60 years. YP single years, 60 years, single rate 60 years at 7.5%. Use your valuation table, you have 13.1594. Multiply the two of them, you're gonna have 5921730. 5921730. All right, this is our term. The next thing you do is reversion. All right, the reversion now is full rental value, which is 650,000. Don't forget that in YP, in single rate, there's nothing like profit rent. It is in the dual rate you deal with profit rent. Don't forget. So now YP reversion to perpetuity at 7.5 deferred 60 years. You have 0.1740 when you use your valuation table. When you multiply the two of them, you have 113100. You add these two together, both the proposed and the term and reversion, you have 1822635. All right, 1822635. Right, 1822635. 635. Alright, let's add it up together and let us not make mistake. 5921730 plus 113100. We have 6034830. So now in our this thing they say present minus proposed. So our present interest, this is our proposed interest. This is what it entails, our proposed interest. The proposed interest when you add them together, and our present interest when you add the two of them together is 78574.6. So present minus proposed, that is 785478574.65 minus 6034830. All right, 7857465 minus 6034830. Have 181822635. All right, now after you've done this, we've gotten our proposed interest. This is our proposed interest. We have our present interest to be 156,156,156,000. So now we'll now reconcile. All right, so it's going to be 1560000 plus 18226. Let's see, let us bring it down to 183 182 300 3,000. Let's just leave it like this. Let's bring it down. So 182,300 all over 2. You now have 156,000 plus 182,300 divided by 2. You now have 169,200. So this is the premium. So thank you. Now we'll now look at another situation again. All right, another situation again. All right, this is another exercise. See, using same exercise that we just finished in, supposing you agreed on premium of 2 million naira to be paid in the proposed agreement on entry, what will be the likely rent agreed? All right, starting, we're moving fast. Let's see point of view. Right now, propose interest. Right now, assume that the rent is X because they said we should find rent. Right, assume rent to be X. So let us start. Propose interest. And I told you it doesn't have term and reversion in lessee. So it is full rental value, which is 650,000, and rent minus rent, which is X. So it's going to be 650,000 minus X. So YP 60 years at 8.5%, 2.5 sinking fund, tax 40%, which is 10.2822. Your valuation table used. So now you multiply this by this and multiply this by this. So it's going to give us 6683430 minus 10.2822x. All right. Now they said what premium was paid. So in this point, you're going to less premium, which is 2 million naira. You are not going to use that and be lessening to this one that I say. It's going to be this. So it's going to be 683,430 going to be 4,683,430 minus 10.2822x. All right, this is our proposed interest. So now present interest, proposed interest, present interest. The present interest now, the full rental value is what? 650,000. Rents, we know the rent to be 450,000. Profit rent is 200,000. So IP what? 5 years at 8.5%. Sinking fund 2.5 tax 40%. All right. Then if you use a valuation table, you get 2.4871. Multiply it, you get 497,420. All right. Now in the question they said, in our first survey they said propose minus present is equals to gain. Now the next thing, therefore, present is equals to proposed interest. All right. Now, what is our present interest? 497,420 is equals to what? 4,683,430 minus 10.2822x. Let me use another page so that will be clear on what we're doing. So present is equals to propose. So it's equals to 4,974,20 is equals to 4,683,430 minus 10.2822x. All right. Collect like times 10.2822x is equals to 4,683,430 minus 4,974,20. X is equals to 4,683,430 minus 4,974,20 all over 10.2822. Right? It is equals to, if you add these two and divide it by 2, 4.4683430 minus 4,974,20 is equals to 4,186,010 divided by 2 is equals to, right? Yes, divided by 10.2822. 4,683,430 minus 4,974,20 is equals to, divide by 10.2822 is equals to 407,112. So we can just say 407,000. All right. This is what we've gotten from the lessee's point of view. Lessee's point of view arrived this. All right. The next thing we do is our what? Lessor's point of view. And lessor's point of view, the arrangement is that firstly we'll start by present interest. So present interest is equals to, it has term and it has reversion. Take note, present interest now have rent is X. No, we no rent. The present interest, what is present? It is 450,000. Are you getting me? We We know the rent to be 450. He's still paying 450, but he proposed that we don't know what the rent is, only know what full rental value is. All right. So we have 450,000 as rent. Then you do YP single rate for 5 years at how many percent? 7.5%. Use your valuation table. You have 4.0459. Multiply it. You're gonna come out with 1820655. All right. This is our term now, and our reversion now is full rental value, which is 650,000. Then YP in PAP of a reversion, YP of a reversion to PAP at 7%, 7%, 7.5%. How many years? Deferred 5 years. You have 9.2874. When you multiply it, you have 6036810. All right. These are term, these are reversion. You add the two of them together, you now have 7857465. 7857465. These are what? Present interest of lessor. Yeah. So now we're going to go and guess the proposed interest. Now the proposed interest now, the proposed interest is that term, proposed interest of the lessor's point of view. The term, the rent, right? Rent reserved is what? X. We don't know what the rent is. The proposing, we're trying to find it. That's what we're finding right now. So YP for 60 years at 7.5%. Use your valuation table, you get 13.191594. So when you multiply the two of them, you have 13.1594x. All right. So we have done that. You're going to come to your reversion, and your reversion is full rental value is, we know it to be 60,000, 650,000. So YP in PAP at 7.5 deferred 60 years, which is 0. If you use your valuation table, 0.1740. Multiply it, you're gonna come out with 1. When you multiply 113,100. All right. Present is equals to proposed. All right. So now, when you've done this, you now add your premium. Add premium. Right. But firstly, you have to add this. So it's going to be 113,100 plus 13.1594 x. Yes. So now you add premium of 2 million naira. 2 million naira. So you add it. You're not adding to this one. You're only adding it to this one. So it's going to be 2113100 plus 13.1594x. All right. Present is equals to propose. Okay. So and our present is 7857465 is equals to propose is 21,211,3100 plus 13.1594x. All right. So now x is equals to 7857465 minus 2113100 all over 1 3.1594. All right. If you add these two and you divide it by this, you're gonna have 437,000. So let's say 43. You're gonna have 436,654. So let's just say 437,000. All right. So now we have known what our proposed. This is our proposed our lessor's point of view, and we know what our lessee's point of view is. Now the last thing we do is to reconcile. All right. So you come and see the lessee and the lessor. You add the two of them, then divide by 2. So now we have 407,000 plus 437,000, very close, all over 2, it will give us 422,000 naira. All right. So this is another way, another question, another way that the question of surrender and renewal may come. Now let us do the last, or the another method, or another way in which the question of surrender and renewal may also likely come. All right. This scenario 3 says, supposing premium is to be paid twice in the proposed arrangement, that is in the 21st year and 41st year, what is the likely rent to be fixed? So let us go in it like a moving train. Now, solution, we have lessee's point of view, as we all said, lessee's point of view. All right. So now our profit trend, which is full rental value, is 650,000 minus X. So YP 60s at 8.5%, sinking fund 2.5, tax 40. Use your valuation table, you will get 10.2822. Multiply the two of these, you have 6685,430 minus 10. This times is 10.2822. When you multiply this times, you get it. This times you get 2 times 2x. All right, this is our capital value. So now it's a less premium. It's a premium is paid twice. So now 21st year, 2 million, which is PV for 20 years at what? 8.5%, which is 0.1803. When you multiply the two of them, you have 360,600. All right. The second premium is say 41st year, 2 million again. All right. PV 40 years at 8.5, which is 0.0383. When you multiply them, you have 76600. Then you add the two of them, you have this and this, 437,200. You've gotten, this is your premium. Now you come and minus, don't forget we say less premium, less it from this. You come and have what? And the lesson is not to this, you're listening to this figure. So you come and have 624828,230 minus 10.2822x. Alright, this is our lessee's point of view. Proposed interest. Proposed interest. Lessee's point of view. Now, let us do our present interest now. Present interest. Present interest, you're not lessing any premium. So present interest, our profit rent, which is full rental value minus rent, 650, rent paid, full rental value is 650,000, rent paid is 450,000, profit rent is 200,000. So YP 5 years at 8.5%, sinking fund 2.5, tax 40%. You now have what you have. Use your valuation table. You have 2.4871 multiplied by 200,000. You're going to come out with 4,974.20. Now these are present and these are proposed. So present is equals to proposed, and we get to head of that calculation. So now present is equals to proposed. And what is present? 4,974.20 is equals to 6,248,230 minus 10.2822x 2822x. Alright. So now we'll now do our arithmetic here. So 10.2822x is equals to 6248230 minus 4,974.20. Alright, 4,974.20. So x is equals to, when you minus this plus this, you minus this, you get 5,750,810 all over 10.2822. Divide them, you have 559,297,559,297. This is what our lessee's point of view. We are done with the lessee's point of view. Now let's do the lessor's point of view. The lessor's point of view, we start by present interest, and it has term and reversion. So the rent person is 450,000. YP single rate for 5 years at how many percent? 7.5%, which is 4.0459. When you multiply it, you have 18,20655. So now reversion, full rental value, we know it to be what? 650,000. YP of a reversion to per 7.5% deferred 5 years is what? 9.2874. 9.2874. So when you multiply it, we have 6036810. Alright, 60810. When you add these two of them, you have 7857465. This is our present term. So propose interest term. Rent reserve is, we don't know the rent, x per annum. Then YP 60 years at 7.5% is 13.1594. Alright, when you multiply it, you're going to get 13.1594x. Alright, so now this is our term. Reversion, the reversion full rental value is 650,000. Alright, then YP reversion to PAP 7.5% deferred 60 years is 0.1740. Multiply the two of them, you have 1,113,100, 113,100. Now you add these two. You add the two of them now. You have 113,100 plus 13.1594x. Alright, now you add premium. You see, 21 years, right? 21 years, 2 million naira, 12 million naira. A PV, 21 years at 7.5, have 0.2354. Multiply it by 2 million naira, you have 470,800. So 40 years again, the 41 year, 2 million naira again. So PV 40 at 7.5%, you have 0.0554. When you multiply it by 2 million naira, you come and have 110,800. Now add these two, you have 581,600. So add 581,600 to this figure that is here, not to this one that having X, but to this one that is free. You have 694,700 plus 13.1594x. Alright, 13.1994x. So now we'll come and bring our arithmetic again. Alright, so now present interest is equals to propose. Now present interest we have 7857,465 is equals to 6947,4700 plus 13.1594x, which is equals to, the collect lifetimes is going to be 7,857,465 minus 694700 equals to 13.1594x. Alright, so 7 8 this minus this, going to be 7,162,765 is equals to 13.1594x. X is equals to 7,162,765 all over 13.1594. You got 544,307.87. So now you reconcile from the proposed and the present, the lessee and the lessor. Alright, so in the lessee's point of view, you have 559,297 plus lessor equal 544,305.87 divided by 2 is equals to 110,360.87 all over 2. Now give us 551,801.44. That is how